Margie Blue, one of our WPTV weather spotters, and her husband Michael calling in from Palm City.
We really rely on weather spotters, especially this time of year, whenever we have a storm move through. What have you guys been seeing in the neighborhood where you live so far today?
Well, it's low tide now, but it certainly doesn't look like it. It's almost up and over the dock, coming over the seawall, headed towards our pool. It's pretty wild out there.
We are done with the rain. We might find a little spritzel here or there, but that is about it. Well, Elliot Golub shared this picture with us today, and we're calling it sun showers because there you can see the sunlight reflecting off the rain there, and kind of a neat snapshot. You know, in Florida, we get everything all in the same day. We get sun, we get storms, rainbows.
There's reports of flooding in and around the Jupiter-Tequesta area. Weather spotters sending pictures in this video of those storms that moved through, the flooding that came after.
Yeah, it looks like some stalled cars along US 1 and some pretty significant flooding across around the Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse. Shannon, the good news is that the rain is tapering off, but we have reports of over 7 inches of rain in some of those areas.
Wow.
And yeah, they're pretty impressive.
WPTV First Alert Weather Spotters Group sending in some pictures via Facebook yesterday of the storms that rolled in. This picture is sent in from Lee Potter around Indiantown Road in the Turnpike, showing a little shelf cloud off in the distance. So we did have some strong storms roll in yesterday, but not everybody saw the rain.
Samuel, can you hear us this time?
Yes, I can.
We are on. Hani Rodriguez, Michael Williams, and our chief meteorologist, Steve Weigel. Where are you in Boca? What have you been seeing? And then Steve may have a question or two for you.
Well, I'm in West Boca, basically just off Glades Road in the Turnpike behind Triton County Humane Society. And the rain has been very heavily falling. The lightning has been very vivid. I'm standing out basically in a safe location on my back porch, watching the winds blow, the rain, the lightning that's like lighting up like it's taking our picture.
Now, a sneak peek at some cooler weather. Mary Durden, one of our WPTV weather spotters, snapped this picture about 12 miles north of Okeechobee just after sunrise this morning. Beautiful picture. She tells us the temperatures there were in the 60s at this time. Steve, we were talking earlier that drop in humidity has been just amazing this week, but enjoy it while it lasts, right?
Yes, it's going to bump up a little bit, Jay.
SpaceX's 40th launch of the year. It's a new record for the number of launches in a year, and it's only the start of September. The company has sent more than 3,000 Starlink satellites into orbit. One of our First Alert weather spotters captured the launch from Vero Beach. You see that glow of red and white there. Cameron said the skies were perfect to capture the rocket heading into space. Thank you, Cameron, for taking those pictures.